Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week update of week 6 with Lori. So how's it going, Lori, so far?
Really good.
Okay.
Yeah, really good.
Do you think you are going to hit your goal in week 10 or?
I've surpassed my goal.
Oh,
well,
okay.
for now.
For
and
now.
so now I had to
Yeah.
make a new goal for
Yeah.
week 10.
Okay, so your goal was for week 10 used to be 155.
Yep.
And today, how much do you hit?
152.
So you already exceeded your goal for week 10, and we're still in week 6, and you already exceeded the week 10 goal, right? So that's why we had to change your goal for
Yes.
week 10.
Yes.
Have another one, which is what will be your new goal?
I'll make it 146 pounds.
Wow.
Because I haven't been at that weight for a long time, and even when I came into this
Yeah.
program, I kind of just doubted whether I could do
Yeah.
it because I've tried
Yeah.
really hard to
Yeah.
maintain and lose
Yeah.
weight, and this program has exceeded my expectations in
Yeah.
what
Thank
I can
you.
achieve.
Thank you. Do you think, based on what we learned today, I will promote the specific diet program or specific school we have to follow, or we are learning about different number of schools or different number of
That's what I love. It's because I don't believe in dieting. I just believe in just doing what's right for my body.
Right.
And today, actually, all these sessions that we've taken has taught me how my body's working and how to break through that stubbornness sometimes that my body gets into.
Correct.
To not want to lose the weight. So I think I found the key. I think I said that
That's
one
good.
time
Yeah.
to you, I'm just
Yeah.
looking for that key
Yeah.
to get me through, how do I lose this weight? I'm
That's
eating
right.
right.
Yeah.
But what I'm learning with this program has really benefited me, obviously, and my body is
Excellent.
totally
Perfect.
going with it.
Perfect. And we still have another 4 weeks to go. So
Yes.
hopefully we'll learn more.
Yes.
I look forward next week to have an interview with you and see the progress.
Good,
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you.